So let's start with our first exercise 7.1. In this exercise we'll be making use of distance formula. The first question is, find the distance between the following pairs of points. First point is 2, 3 and second point is 4, 1. Now in the second part we are given the points are -5, 7, -1, 3, and in the third part we are to find the distance between the points which are represented with the help of coordinates a, b and -a, -b. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. So let's do the first part. The point let the point 2, 3 is represented with the help of name P, and the point Q is represented with 4, 1. So what is the value of x1 given? It is 2. What is the value of y1 given? It is the value of y1 we are given is 3. What is the value of y1 given? Value of y1 is given 3. What is x2 given? 4. y2 given is 1. So using distance formula, the distance PQ is given by the formula x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square. What is x2 given? 4. What is x1 given? It is 2. What is y2 given? It is 1. And what is y1 given? It is 3. So it is 1 minus 3. So simplifying, it is 4 minus 2 its whole square, 2 square, 1 minus 2 its whole square, minus 2 its whole square. So 4 plus 4 is equal to √2. √2 को simplify करते हैं तो it becomes 2√2 units. So the distance between the points which are represented with the help of coordinates 2, 3 and 4, 1 is given by 2√2 units. मैंने आपको बताया we always put the word units with the distance. Now I am doing third part. Second part you will be discussing, you'll be trying to do yourself. Let the point P is represented with the help of coordinates a, b, and the point Q is represented with -a, -b. What is x1? It is a. What is y1? It is b. x2 is -a and y2 is -b. So PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square. x2 is -a, x1 is a, y2 is -b, y1 is b. This minus is of formula. -a and -a becomes -2a its whole square plus -2b its whole square. The square of minus is always plus. So it is 4a square plus 4a square. Taking 4 common, it becomes a square plus b square. And when we take 4 out, the square root, it becomes 2. So it is 2 into square root of a square plus b square units. So the distance between the given points is 2 into square root of a square plus b square units. So let's continue. Next is, now in the next we are to second question is, find the distance between the points. What is the second question? Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you find the distance between two towns A and B in the as discussed in section 7.2? In your book section 7.2, what is given in section 7.2? Two cities are represented with the help of points A and B. Two cities are represented with the help of A. What is A? It is the origin, and the point B is its distance is 36 kilometer, and this distance we are given is 15 kilometer. So what are the coordinates of this point A? The coordinates of the point A are 0 and 0. And what are the coordinates of the point B? These are 36, as the distance along x-axis is 36 kilometer and distance along y-axis is 15 kilometers. So what are the coordinates of point B given as 36 and 15? We are to find the distance between the cities A and B. The distance towns A and B, the distance we always take the shortest distance. So what is the shortest distance given? It is AB. So the point A is represented with the help of coordinates the point A is represented with the help of coordinates 0, 0, and the point B is represented with the help of coordinates 36, 15. And what we are to find the distance? We are to find the distance between the towns which are represented with the help of points A and B. So what will be the distance between these towns? It will be AB. What is x1? 0, y1 is 0, x2 is 36, y2 is 15. So the distance AB is given by using distance formula again. x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square. 36 minus 0 its whole square plus 15 minus 0 its whole square. What is the square of 36? It is 1296. What is square of 15? It is 225. So it is 1521, which is square root of 1529. Now here we will write the distance is kilometer, because the distance is given us as the distance between the cities is in kilometers. So next question is question number 3. Before doing question number 3, let me tell you the definition of collinear points. When do we say that 3 points are collinear? 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie in a line. You have done this definition in your class 9 also. 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie in a line. Now in question number 3, we are to determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, if the points, question number 3 is determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. We have to check whether the points are collinear or not. So to find out whether these points are collinear or not, we will find out the distances. Let the point A is 1, 5, the point B is 2, 3 and the point C is minus 2, minus 11. We will find out distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Let's find. So it is, what is distance AB? 2 minus 1 its whole square, x2 minus x1 its whole square प्लस y2 माइनस y1 इट्स होल स्क्वायर. ए बी के लिए ये हमारा पॉइंट क्या है? x1 y1 है और ये पॉइंट क्या है? x2 y2. सो सिंप्लीफाइंग 2 minus 1 is 1 square, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. So 1 square is 1 and minus 2 square is 4. So it is equal to root 5. What we write with distance, we always write units. So BC is as these are points, we write or units or we do not write that does not make any difference. So what is BC? It will be minus 2 its whole square minus 11 minus 3. ये minus 3 क्यों आया? क्योंकि फॉर्मूले में क्या होता है? माइनस होता है. This minus 11 because the coordinate is given. It is y coordinate is minus 11, this minus of formula, and this is 3. Minus plus 4 square. 4 square is minus 4 square is 16 and minus 14 square is 196. So it is equal to 212. AC is AC minus 2 minus 1 its whole square plus 11 minus 5 its whole square. 9 plus square of 250 is 256 is square of 16. So it is equal to square root of 265. It is equal to square root of 265. So what is AB plus BC? If the points are collinear, if 3 points A, B and C are collinear, that is the sum of two distances AB and BC should be equal to AC. So what is AB plus BC? It is root 5 plus root 212. What is AC? It is root 265. It is root 265. So if we add these two, it is never equal to AC. AB plus BC is not equal to AC. So the points are non-collinear points. The points are not collinear, and the points which are not collinear, they are known as non-collinear points. Thank you.